Web technology refers to the various tools and techniques that are utilized in the process of communication between different types of devices over the Internet. This field is rapidly evolving with the advent of new frameworks, standards, and language. Web technology can be classified into the following sections: World Wide Web, web browser, web server, web page, web development. The World Wide Web is abbreviated with 3W and is commonly known as the web. It was initiated by some in 1989. Web can be defined as the collection of different websites around the world containing different information shared via local servers. Web is based on several different technologies: web browser, hypertext markup language, and hypertext transfer protocol. Hyperlink results on the web can be accessed using software interface provided by web browser. Feature of the web hypertext information system, cross-platform, distribute, open standard, and open source. Use web browser to provide single interface for many services. Dynamic, interactive, and evolving. Web 2.0. And there are three components of the web. 1. Uniform result locator. Serves as a system for results on the web. 2. Hypertext transfer protocol. Specify communication of browser and server. 3. Hypertext markup language. Define the structure and organization and content of a web page. Web browser. A web browser is an application software that serves as an interface between the server and the client, allowing users to explore the web and request web documents and services. It acts like a compiler, rendering HTML to create web page design. When searching for information online, the browser loads a web page with text, links, emojis, style, and JavaScript functions. Common examples of web browsers include Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari.
How does a web browser work? A web browser is a powerful tool that allows us to find information anywhere on the Internet. Installed on the client computer, it requests information from the web server. Following a client-server model, the browser receives data through the HTTP protocol, which defines data transmission. When data is obtained from the server, the browser renders its HTML, creating a user-readable format displayed on the device screen. Web server. A web server is a program that processes the network requests of the user server which files that create web pages. This is then displayed using the Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP). Examples of web server include a packaged HTTP server, Microsoft IIS antennas, LightTPD, and Google Web Server. Web pages are digital documents with information resources, such as images, video, and other content, which can be accessed using a web browser. A uniform resource identifier is used to identify the resources. Popular web browsers include Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Internet Explorer Outlook, and Apple Safari. They are commonly referred to as pages. Web development. Web development involves creating, building, and maintaining websites, including web design, web publishing, web programming, and database management. It enables the development of applications that work over Internet, such as websites. Web development can be classified into two categories: front-end and back-end development. Front-end development, or the client side, refers to the part of the website the user interacts with directly. On the other hand, back-end development, also known as the server side, is the portion of software that user cannot see or interact with directly. It is responsible for storing and organizing data.
Programming languages are crucial part of web development. HTML is web development language used to design the front end of web page. It combines hypertext and markup language and is responsible for formatting email and text. Ready-made templates can be used to create websites quickly, and it is simple and fast to learn. However, HTML is unsuitable for dynamic websites, and creating a website requires writing a lot of code. CSS, a cascading style sheet, is a web design language that simplifies making web pages presentable. Its primary function is to apply style to web page independently of the HTML that makes up its web page. It allows you to control the color, font, size of text, and spacing between elements. CSS supports responsible web design and ensures consistency thanks to cascading effect. It is simple and easy for beginners, improve page loading speed, and make it easy to customize website. However, cross-browser issues may occur when using CSS. JavaScript is a popular scripting language for creating interactive websites, cool games, and web-based software. It enhances the functionality of a website and is lightweight, making it easy to use for beginners. In addition to web-based development, JavaScript can be used to develop mobile application games on web servers. JavaScript is advanced because it is fast, easy to connect with other language systems, and is simple and flexible. However, it does not have a multi-inheritance feature and is less secure than other languages. HTML creates website structure and content. CSS controls presentation and layout, while JavaScript creates dynamic and interactive features on web pages. In conclusion, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are three core languages in website building. Three tools test on different tests. HTML creates the basic structure and content of a website. CSS controls the presentation, formatting, and layout of a website. JavaScript creates dynamic and interactive features on web page. Data formats are used by web applications to communicate with each other in a text-based format that is easy to read and write. The two standard formats used in web development are HTML and JSON. HTML is a markup language that encodes documents in human read-based and machine read-based format, while JSON is format for structured data.
API or Application Programming Interface is a programming code that enables data transmission between two software and includes the terms or conditions of the data exchange. So stable API provide all the building blocks a programmer needs, make it easier to develop computer programs. The second is web protocols, a set of rules that govern communication over the internet. The most commonly used protocol is HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which enables communication between a client and server. HTTP works as a request-response protocol between a client and a server, where a web browser may act as the client and an application on a web server as the server. Other protocols used in web development include the TCP or IP model, UDP, FTP, SMTP, and SOAP. These protocols play specific roles in facilitating communication over the internet, such as file transfer, email delivery, and data exchange between applications. Now we show you the importance of web technologies. Here are some key points highlighting the importance of web technology. First, global reach. The internet and web technology allow business to reach a worldwide audience, their products and services. Second is cost-effective. Web technology enables business to reduce costs by automating processes, improving efficiency, and reducing the need for physical infrastructure. 3 is an enhanced customer experience. Web technology allows business to provide a more personally interactive and engaging customer experience. 4 is improving communication. Web technology facilitates communication and collaboration across organizations and geographies, enabling better knowledge sharing and decision making. 5 is access to data. Web technology provides vast amounts of data that can be used for analysis, insight, and informed decision making. 6 is mobile access. Web technology enables business to reach customers through mobile devices, which have become increasingly important in people's lives. In 6, innovation. Web technology provides innovation by providing a platform for new products, service, and business models. And the last is social impact. Web technology can improve social and economic outcomes by providing access to education, health care, and other essential services.